Did you know that in English we have some words which can be pronounced in two different ways, and both ways, or either way, is correct? So I just gave you one of those words, either. Sometimes I say either, sometimes I say either, and both are totally correct. The same for neither, the same for neither. We have some other words, for example, schedule and schedule, where the pronunciation schedule has come from American English, but now both are totally acceptable. Sometimes people ask me which is better, British or American English, and I have to tell you that they are both correct and okay. There is no problem with either one. You can decide what you want to say, schedule or schedule. I actually say schedule. Sometimes we have other words, for example, often. You can say often or often, and I know that I say both. Originally, it was pronounced often because we have words with a T in the middle where the T is not pronounced. For example, castle, mortgage, listen. But if you want to say often or often, you can, and it is correct. And then if you have been to England, maybe you tried a scone. Or did you try a scone? This is a word where people choose one pronunciation and stick to it. And they argue about which pronunciation is right. So I say scone, but my grandfather always said scone. And we always had a little argument about whether we were eating a scone or a scone. Whatever you decide to say, scone or scone, they are both delicious.